Laws everyone forgets are laws that will get you pulled over. In some states like California, you can't hang things from your rear view mirror that may obstruct your view. If you get a flat tire, you might need to toss a donut spare on. But avoid high speeds or the cops might pull you over for driving an unsafe vehicle. Do you think this is funny? Well, you won't if you get a ticket, because in most states, you can't block your plates. When it's not in use, take off the hitch. Does Young Thug have free speech? If you don't already know, Young Thug was arrested for alleged involvement with the YSL gang. And now prosecutors want to use these lyrics as evidence. Many say music is art. Under the First Amendment, shouldn't his art be allowed to say whatever? Well, the courts are currently debating that. The distinction between person and persona is at the core of these legal cases. At the moment, it's possible the lyrics may be admitted as evidence. Is that fair, or are they reaching for a confession that isn't there? Did you know it's a crime in most states to drive with an open alcohol container? Leaving it in the back seat doesn't change anything either. It may not even matter if it's empty. Alcohol container? Open? No go in many states. Unless it's somewhere that cannot possibly be accessed by the driver.
There's my girl.
You're not about to drink and drive, are you? Throw your keys in the trunk first. Cops can still give you a DUI even if you're just in a parked car.
No, silly. I'm not gonna drive.
Oh boy. Look, if your keys are on you, the cops can say you intended to drive, but not if they're in your trunk.
You're so smart. You're so smart, tiny smart man.
Sir, are you going to drive drunk?
Actually, no. I locked my keys in my trunk, I checked the city laws, and sleeping in my car is legal here.
Dang it, sounds like the work of Little Mike. Where are you? Shh. The top 3 states you're most likely to get sent to the clink-in. Careful breaking laws here because they love locking people up. The state with the 3rd highest incarceration rate in the country, Mississippi. A river runs through it, a river of pain. Number 2, Louisiana. Fun fact, the Louisiana State Pen is home to the only golf course on the property of an American prison, but it's off limits for prisoners. And the state with the highest incarceration rate, Oklahoma, where the crime comes sweeping down the plains. Are we too quick to lock people up, or is America just full of awful people? Did you know these 3 ways to spot a good lawyer? 1, they don't guarantee a win. You may not like hearing that, but the truth is, every case can go sideways, and the lawyer that overpromises and makes guarantees is likely taking you for a ride. 2, they leave no question unanswered. A good lawyer clearly explains the law to you and what they'll do for you, so you're left with zero confusion when you leave their office. 3, they're honest about how much it will cost you. They should clearly explain their fees up front, so there are no surprises. And at the end of the day, always trust your gut. The ugly truth on why lottery winners usually go broke. When you win, there's 2 ways to get your money. You can take it slow, paid over time, or you can take it all at once. If you go the slow route, you get less up front, but you get that paycheck for years, and it keeps your spending in check. If you take it all at once, you'll get taxed harder, but you'll have way more to spend and invest right away. But most people who choose this option don't do well with money management, and most lose it all. So what would you choose? Would you gamble twice? Oh hi, I'm serving justice at the moment. Thanks for dropping in. If you liked that video, you can find more of them by liking and following my Facebook page, or at any of my other links below. Thank you for being part of the Law Squad. I'll see you later. Same law time, same law channel.